Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a virtual trip to Sri Lanka, where you can surf, enjoy delicious food, and relax on beautiful beaches. This paradise island offers adventure, culture, and incredible cuisine. So, buckle up for an unforgettable journey. Reason 1. Surfing Paradise. First up, surfers, listen closely. Sri Lanka boasts consistent, beginner-friendly waves. Long, rolling breaks, perfect for honing your skills. Plus, the stunning backdrop of palm trees and golden sand. Whether you're a pro or a newbie, Sri Lanka has a spot for you. Reason 2. Spice up your life. Time to tantalize those taste buds. Sri Lanka, the Spice Island, is a haven for foodies. Fiery curries, fragrant rice dishes, an explosion of flavor. Fresh ingredients, aromatic spices, unforgettable culinary experience. Reason 3. Smiles all around. Sri Lanka isn't just about the waves and the food. The real magic lies in the people. You'll be greeted with open arms and a friendly Ayubawan. So, there you have it. Surfing, spice, and smiles. Just a taste of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is calling your name. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable escape.